आप सभी को पता है टीचर और वक्त में क्या फ़र्क होता है? मैं बताती हूँ। टीचर जो कुछ सिखाकर इम्तिहान लेते हैं और वक्त इम्तिहान लेकर सिखाता है। Hello everyone, good morning. I am Simpi Rani from Patna, Bihar. Today I talk about my ideal person. First of all, teacher is most important person in everyone's life because teacher brings good education and balanced mindset. There are many teachers who taught me they are good and I respect all of them. But my ideal teacher is Mr. Nitish sir. He is from Patna, Bihar. He is 26 years old. He has not get married. He is too simple. He believes in the principle of simple living and high thinking. His manner and charming is the man of good character and good heart. He is the teacher of math and science, but he is knowledgeable at each and every subject. Now, let me tell something about him. So, I meet him while studying in Pragati coaching classes in class 9. He initially come, he did not seem like a good teacher to me because ऐसा लगता था अरे यार आज इनका क्लास है इनसे पढ़ना पड़ेगा. He always used to make me stand in class and ask question. But he did it only for my good and my welfare. He treated his student like his own family, but he treated me differently from all his other students. He treated me like his younger sister. He used to call me Titli. He always asked his student what to do when they grow up, but he did not ask me because ऐसा कहते थे कि तुमसे क्या ही पूछे, आपको तो तितली बन के आसमान में उड़ना है ना. I like this thing very much. Initially, he get offer from many coaching institutes, but he refused all of them because his heart was connected with this coaching. So just because of this, he is the ideal person in my life. Now let me tell something about his childhood. So he said that he was very naughty in his childhood. He was not interested in studies. He want to become college professor. So he completed his B.Ed and started preparing for BPSC and he cleared. And now he is the college professor in Katihar. So that's all about my ideal person.